revise what we learned. When numerator is same of two fraction, જ્યારે numerator same હોય તો શું કરવાનું? Whatever denominator is small become greater fraction. જે denominator નાનો હોય એ fraction શું થાય? Greater થાય. In a like fraction means what? Denominator is same. Like fraction એટલે શું કે denominator same હોય. If the denominator is same, then numerator is greater become greater and numerator is smaller become smaller. In unlike fraction, comparison we learn three methods. Okay, you can compare the unlike fraction with find the equivalent fraction and compare the fraction with the same denominator. We learn a LCM method, that we will use mostly. આપણે સૌથી વધારે કઈ method use કરીશું? LCM method. In that we need to take LCM of denominator and make the denominator is equal to LCM by multiplying numerator and denominator with some number. જે પણ LCM આવે એ denominator બનાવવા પડે. For that we need to multiply denominator with some number. Then we learn cross multiply method, means multiply the numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second and numerator of second fraction with the denominator of first. That is called cross multiply. So today we will solve some example. Which is the larger fraction? Now here this fraction are given. So first, denominator is same, means they are like fraction. So here 7/10 and 8/10. If they are like fraction, then numerator is greater become greater. So here 7/10 is less than 8/10. Now for this 11/24, 13/24. Denominator is same 24. So compare the numerator. So here 13 is greater. So that's why 11/24 is less than 13/24. Now for next 17/102 and 12/102. Denominator is same. So here 17/102 will be greater than 12/102. Clear? Now write in a ascending order. So here 1/8, 5/8, 3/8. Denominator are same. So whatever fraction, whatever numerator is smaller becomes smaller. So here 1 is smaller. So first number will be 1/8 because in ascending we are starting from smaller to larger. Now 3/8 and last 5/8. Now for this again you can see these are the like fraction. So for that first number is 1/5, then second 3/5, then 4/5, after that 7/5 and last 11/5. Okay, so this is the comparison. Now next 1/12, 1/23, 1/5, 1/7, 1/50. Now here in this example you can see the numerator are same. So whenever the numerator are same, larger denominator becomes smaller. So from this, which one is the largest? 1/50. So that will be smallest fraction. Now next is 1/23. After that 1/12. Then 1/7 and last 1/5. That is largest one. Clear? Now next 3/7, 3/11, 3/5, 3/2. You can see the numerator are same. So again this largest denominator becomes smallest. So from this, which one is largest? 11. So 3/11 will be first fraction, that is smallest. Then 3/7, then 3/5 and 3/2 will be the last. Clear? So this way you can perform the comparison of like fraction. It means whenever denominator is same or whenever the numerator is same. Now let's compare example 6 that is given in your textbook. Compare 4/5 and 5/6. Now which fraction are these? These are the unlike fraction. Why unlike? Because denominator are different. One is 5 and one is 6. So for that you can perform the LCM method. So let's find the LCM of 5 Okay. So 5 and 6. Here we will start with 2. Now what is the LCM? That is 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. 5 is a 15 to the 30. Okay. It means you need to denominator of each fraction 30. But denominator na fraction શું કરવાના? Fraction na denominator 30 કરવાના. So let's start. Here we have two fraction 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. How we can make 5 to 30? Which number we should multiply here? With 6. So same number in a numerator. Now here which number we should multiply? 5. So same number in a numerator. 6 4s are 24 divide 30. 5 5s are 25 divide 30. Now you can see the denominator is same. So which one will be greater? 25 by 30 will be greater. But what is 25 by 30? It is 5 by 6. So 5 by 6 is greater than 4 by 5. Clear? Mostly we will use this method. Whenever comparison is there in an MCQ, then you can apply the cross multiplication method. જ્યારે MCQ માં પૂછાય તો તમે cross multiply કરો તો ચાલે. But whenever this kind of question is there in 1 or 2 marks, you need to perform the LCM method. Now example 7. Compare 5 by 6 and 13 by 15. So here what we need to do? Take the LCM of 6 and 15. So 6 and 15. Now we start with 2. So 2 3s are 6. 15 as it is. Now 3 1s are 3 and 5 3s are 15. 5 1. So again you can see LCM is 30. So again we need to make denominator 30. Now here, which number we should multiply with 6 to get 30? 5. So same number in numerator. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. Now 13 by 15. Which number we should multiply with 15 to get 30? 2. So 15 2s are 30. So same in our numerator. So 13 2s are 26 by 30. Now which one is greater, 25 or 26? 26 is greater. So we can write less than 26 by 30. But 26 by 30 is 13 by 15. It will be greater than 5 by 6. So this is the method of comparison unlike fraction. Now let's start exercise 7.4. First, write the shaded portion arranged in ascending and descending order. Okay. So here figure are given and you need to find the shaded part. So here how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From 8 part, each figure is divided into 8 parts. Now from 8 part, how many parts are shaded for first figure? That are 3 parts. So we can write 3 by 8. Now for this, how many parts are shaded? 4 and plus 2 6. So it is 6 by 8. For this figure 1 2 3 4. So we can write 4 by 8 and for last 1 by 8. Now the denominator are same. So how we can arrange it in ascending order? Here smallest numerator becomes smallest fraction. So 1 by 8 will be the first one. Then we need to write less than sign. 3 by 8 less than 4 by 8 less than 6 by 8. Clear? Now descending order. So which one will be the first fraction? Largest one, that is 6 by 8. Then 4 by 8. Then 3 by 8 and 1 by 8. If we are writing from 6 by 8, so 6 by 8 is greater than 4 by 8. It is greater than 3 by 8 and it is also greater than 1 by 8. So this is ascending order with the sign. Now B part. Here this figure is given and each figure is divided into 9 equal parts. So for this one, how many parts are shaded from 9? 8. So we can write 8 by 9. For second figure 4 by 9. For third 3 by 9, and for last we can write 6 by 9. Now for ascending. Which one will be the smallest one? 3 by 9. So it is less than 4 by 9. Then 6 by 9. 8 by 9. Now descending order. Which one will be larger one? That is 8 by 9. That is greater than 6 by 9, greater than 4 by 9, greater than 3 by 9. Okay. Now C part. So 2 by 3, 4 by 6, 8 by 6 and 6 by 6 on the number line. Put the appropriate sign for the fraction that is given in the next part. So here we will draw number line 0, 1. It means denominator is 6. It means one part is divided into 6 equal parts. So let's divide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here this will be 0 by 6, 1 by 6, 2 by 6, 3 by 6, 4 by 6, 5 by 6 and 6 by 6. Also we can write further, it is 7 by 6, 8 by 6, 9 by 6. Now locate 2 by 6, that is here. 4 by 6, it is here. 8 by 6, that is here, and 6 by 6 is here. Now from this compare the next part. So first one 5 by 6 and 2 by 6. Okay, as we perform in a normal number line, whatever number on the right side become larger than left side. J number right side पर हो, because on number line on moving right side numbers are increasing. So 5 by 6, that is here, and 2 by 6, that is here. So which one on right side, 2 by 6 or 5 by 6? Obviously 5 by 6 is right side. So 5 by 6 is greater. You can also compare from the number line. Okay. Now 3 by 6 and 0. Where is 3 by 6? You can see it is here and 0 is here. So which will be on right side? 3 by 6. So 3 by 6 will be greater than 0. Now 1 by 6, 6 by 6. So 1 by 6 is here and 6 by 6 is here. So which one is right side? 6 by 6. So that is less than sign. 8 by 6, 5 by 6. So which one will be greater? 8 by 6. So you can also compare the like fraction from the number line. Question number 2. Compare the fraction. So here 3 by 6 and 5 by 6. Now it is a like fraction. So which one will be greater? 5 by 6. Like fraction is there, means smallest numerator becomes smallest. So here 3 is smaller than 5, so it is less than 4. 1 by 7, 1 by 4. Now here the fraction with the same numerator. So whatever denominator is smaller become larger. So here 4 is smaller, means it is a larger. So here we have greater than sign. Please remember this concept, that is whenever the numerator is same, smaller numerator become larger fraction. Sorry, smaller denominator become larger fraction. जेनो denominator नानो और ये fraction क्यों होता है? So for that, here 7 is greater means it is a. So here we have less than sign. 1 by 7 will be smaller than. Why? Because here 7 is larger means it is a smaller and 4 is a smaller means it is a larger. So here we have less than sign. 4 by 5, 5 by 5. So here these are the like fraction. So compare the numerator 4 and 5. Which one is the smaller? 4. So 4 will be small. 4 by 5 will be small. 3 by 5, 3 by 7. Now again numerator are same. So smaller denominator become larger. So 5 is smaller. So it will be larger. So we have greater than 7. Clear? Make 5 more than. So here I give you some more example. You need to write the less than sign or greater than sign in homework. So let's. So this number are in homework. Be careful when whether it is numerator same or denominator same. Clear? So here in question number 4, this 6 number line is given. Okay, and you need to write for A, B, C, D, E. It is less than or greater than. From observing this, you need to write greater than or less than sign. So here 0 to 1 means this is the whole part. It is not divided into any equal part. 0 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 2. It means it is divided into 2 equal parts. And next one is divided into 3 equal parts. Fourth line is divided into 4 equal parts. Fifth line is divided into 5 equal parts. And sixth one is divided into 6 equal parts. So by observing this, you need to compare the fraction. So here first 1 by 6 and 1 by 3. So 1 by 6 is what? It is this part. You can see 1 by 6 means it is this part. And 1 by 3 will be here. So which part is greater? Obviously 1 by 3 is greater. So we can write 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 6. Now 3 by 4, 2 by 6. Now where is 3 by 4? You can see it is here. So this much part is 3 by 4 and 2 by 6. 2 by 6 it is here. So this part is 2 by 6, 3 by 4 is here. Which one is greater? 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 6. Now 2 by 3, 2 by 4. 2 by 3 is here. This part is 2 by 3 and 2 by 4 is this part. Now from this two figure, which one is greater? 2 by 3 is greater. So we can write greater than sign. 6 by 6 and 3 by 6. Now 6 by 6 is here. 3 by 3 is also here. Means they are the same part. So it is equal to sign. 5 by 6, 5 by 5. 5 by 6 is where? It is here. And 5 by 5 is here. So which one is greater? 5 by 5. So less than sign. You need to make more 5 pair from this given part and compare that part. That will be in your homework.